Hello and welcome. I'm Harmony. So happy to be here today. And let's see what message Higher Self has got for you. Your true nature. What is your true nature? And what is it that you have learned? What are your true beliefs? And what are the beliefs that others gave you, that you picked up? When you separate your true nature from what you have learned, you get to step into the part of you that is here to lead you. The part of you that knows everything around about you, and the part of you that is going to guide you through what you have to go to experience life at its fullest. What is your true nature? Go back and reflect on that. Lovely message. Yes, our true nature. What is it? Sometimes we just think we are someone else and we get influenced or just pick up stuff from other people and think it is us. But what's our true nature? That's the way we can differentiate what's the true us and what is not. So I hope this helps and finds you wherever you are. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.